of me. He hold me tight and lets me go.